I'm going to be making 5 major changes in my business this year. With the changes in the economy and the way people consume content and buy courses, I believe my business needs a major pivot in 2023 and moving forward. So I'm going to break down all 5 changes for you in this video, and I hope that you get some value. If you find any value at the end of this video, please leave me a comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and let's get into it. Okay, so the first change I'm gonna make in my business is my content strategy. I'm gonna be focusing on YouTube more than ever. Now, the reason I'm focusing more on YouTube is because I know the value that YouTube brings. It's an evergreen traffic machine, which brings traffic, leads, and sales for the rest of your life. And more importantly, it builds up that know, like, and trust factor with your audience. Now, I'm gonna be ramping up my YouTube posting schedule to 2 long form videos per week. Now, not only am I going to post long form videos, I also see the value in YouTube Shorts, because YouTube Shorts, think of it as the awareness content piece. So that's going to get the awareness of your target audience. And from there, I can funnel them from a YouTube Short to a long form video. Now, I'm going to be posting at least 4 YouTube Shorts per week. So that's 4 YouTube Shorts and 2 long form videos. Now, I'm going to be going all in on YouTube more than I ever have before. YouTube has always been my main platform because you can get YouTube monetized, you get the best leads from YouTube, and people tend to know, like, and trust you forever. And of course, my favorite part is YouTube is a search engine. People can always find you for the rest of your life. So that's why I'm focusing even more resources, more time into YouTube. Now, of course, we have other platforms such as TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and even Facebook pages. So what I'm going to be doing is redistributing the YouTube Shorts to those multiple platforms. But the main goal when posting to these other short form platforms is to get people to my YouTube channel, because I know when people watch my videos, they're going to be able to get more value from a long form video. But more importantly, I can build that know, like, and trust factor for my audience, and I could provide even more value on a long form video. Now, within my content strategy, I plan on doing a live podcast. Now, this live podcast is going to go live to YouTube, Facebook pages, a Facebook group, and the goal is to create a long form piece of content that I can then break down into a shorter form YouTube Shorts and even a long form video clip like 6 minutes, 8 minutes, 10 minutes, etc. I've always believed in free organic traffic and free content, and I've always created free content since I started my online business. But in 2023, I'm going to be putting more resources, more time into creating more content for my audience. All right, so the second change I'm going to be making is focusing heavily on email marketing. Now, if you followed me for any length of time, I've always preached that you need to build an email list, and you need to be emailing that list multiple products, whether it's your product or an affiliate product. Now, I've been fortunate enough to build my email list to over 150,000 subscribers. And I've used that list to make at least $1 per subscriber per month. So my business makes anywhere between $100,000 to $250,000 per month, depending on what's going on. But typically on the low end, I still hit a 6-figure month. And the main reason for that is because I've built an email list well over 6 figures. So for example, if you build an email list to 10,000 subscribers, you'll typically make around $10,000 to $20,000 per month. That's going to be the average range. Of course, you can make way less, or you can make way more. It just depends on how good you are at email marketing. But not only am I going to be focusing more on that email list, I'm going to be focusing more on emailing my subscribers. One of my mentors was asking me how many times I email my list, and I told him 1 to 2 times per week. And he said, you need to double that or triple that, because I need to be emailing my subscribers even more. The goal is to be top of mind with your email subscribers. And that's something I'm going to be doing more, is emailing even more every single week. Now, what you don't want to do is email promo after promo after promo. What you want to do is email value, and check out my YouTube video. So you want to mix up between promo and value. Don't want to just do promo, because people are going to unsubscribe and they're going to stop opening your email. But a quick hack to make more money is to simply email your list even more. Even if you only have 100 subscribers, the goal is to email them even more. That way your business and brand is the top of mind, and when they're ready to purchase a product from you, they remember your name and your business or brand. All right, the third thing that I'm going to be focusing on in my business is lower ticket products, free courses, and virtual summits. Now, with this downward economy, not as many people are going to be able to invest into a high ticket course and a high ticket coaching program. So for that reason, I'm going to be creating lower ticket funnels, lower ticket courses that can get someone in, I can provide them value, and then they're still going to be able to purchase a higher ticket product. Now, I still believe 100% that high ticket affiliate marketing or high ticket coaching is the way to go. That's the easiest path to get out of your 9-to-5 job and achieve financial and time freedom. There's no way you're going to be able to build a 6 or 7 figure business with low ticket funnels. But in a downward economy, people are less likely to go straight to a high ticket course. So for that reason, I'm going to be creating low ticket and even free courses to get people into my world, into my ecosystem. And from there, if I provide them enough value and they see the bridge from the low ticket to the high ticket, they're gonna make the jump. But in order to do that, I gotta provide them that lead magnet, which is either like a $7 or a $25 course, or even a free course that's gonna get them value first before they invest thousands of dollars in a course or in a coaching program. Now, my goal is to create multiple different low ticket funnels to get people into my world, to get people into my ecosystem. That way they can know, like, and trust me even more. And of course, if I have multiple lead magnets, I'm going to be building my list even more, which is the second thing I'm going to be focusing on, which is building my email list and emailing that list even more. Now, the fourth thing I'm going to be doing is running more ads. Now that the economy is going down, marketers are going to be scared to run ads, whether it's a YouTube ad or a Google ad or even a Facebook ad. Marketers are going to be more hesitant to run ads because maybe they're not making as much money. Now, the goal with running ads for myself is I at least want to break even. I want to spend even more money than I did in 2022. More specifically, I'm going to be running YouTube short ads, which is basically a short form version of an ad. And that's going to be a cheaper way to build my email list and a cheaper way to get my word out to more people. Now, I did do a complete training on how to run YouTube short ads. Make sure to check out this video right here, and I'll show you how I made over $3,000 with only $222 of ad spend. Now, the fifth and final thing I'm going to be doing in my business in 2023 is I want to get on more collaborations, whether it's another podcast or another YouTube channel. In 2022, I was extremely busy building out my courses and my online business that I didn't get a chance to get on as many podcasts as humanly possible. My goal this year is to get on as many podcasts, as many YouTube channels as possible. That way I can grow my brand, my channel even faster using other people's platforms. And of course, they're going to grow their brand even faster because we're going to be doing cross promotions and collaborations. Now, if you found any value in this video on the 5 changes I'm making in my online business in 2023, please comment financial freedom down below. And if you like more videos like this, please let me know, because I'm going to be making more videos where I'm showing you exactly what I'm doing in my business. And of course, if you found any value at all, please subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and let me know if you have any questions. With that being said, we'll see you on the next video. God bless.